Alrighty, guys, y'all recognize this vehicle, ladies and gentlemen. This is a 2023 model Chrysler Pacifica. Okay, it is now in the shop. Okay, the mechanic is having a hard time duplicating the complaint. She's complaining about, first of all, y'all see this mileage, 51,000 miles. Now she complaining about sometimes the battery is dead, guys. Also, there is a transmission shifting issue. She's concerned. Okay, it's getting close to her warranty expiring, so she bring it to, in my opinion, the best place you should take such a vehicle, because this vehicle is computer controlled, meaning there's a computer that controls the drivability function of this vehicle, as well as a computer that controls the transmission operation of this vehicle, guys. This vehicle equipped with a 948 TE transmission, but sometimes the mechanic won't be able to duplicate your concern. So when that happens, again, I suggest you hightail it to a dealership. This is all in my opinion, guys. I don't think, well, I don't know, but I don't think the other shops will be equipped to know such information or as much information about your vehicle as a dealer tech would. Let's go to a computer. Y'all see this? All right, now y'all recognize this. This is my topology. Over here on the PCM is a lightning bolt that represents a flash update. Now what I want to show y'all is a TSB relating to that flash update. So we're going to go right here to flash, and we're going to pull up this TSB. I want y'all to see something, guys. Again, this is information that may only be allowed to dealer techs. So right here, okay, this is the bulletin that they send to all dealer personnel. Now this is the year, make, and model we happen to be working on. So this vehicle apply, or this TSB applied. Look and see that. No crank condition due to a depleted battery. The transmission shifting erratic. Guys, the mechanic may not be able to duplicate your concern, okay? Now, you see right here what they want us to do? They want us to flash update your PCM, okay? That should take care of both of those problems, okay? That's why it's important that your vehicle is in good hands. In my opinion, let me say that again. I think you should take it to a dealership. Nothing against the independent.